Hello, welcome. I'll be answering chemistry past questions and answer theory 2018. Question number 1E. Explain briefly how catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Catalyst alters the rate of reaction by providing the new pathway, that is, the active site for reaction to take place by lowering the activation energy. Notice, this catalyst does not initiate the reaction, just have to introduce after reaction has started in order to lower the activation energy, hence leading the reaction to production of products at faster rate. Now let's see this. Let's explain this with this energy diagram. So having the reaction started here and proceed to completion here, but with the introduction of catalyst, it lowers the activation energy. So catalyst just lower the activation energy, that is, this activation energy has been lowered by catalyst introduced here. So catalyst alters the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy, providing new pathway for reaction, providing new pathway for reaction. So as explained, it just provides new pathway for reaction.